again, Gary JSF, and we're on our travels again. We're going to just an overnighter this time in Ireland, and we're on one of our favourite spots in Trim. We're in the Castle Arch Hotel, just on the edge of the town, and it has been one of our favourites. So let's cut and show you the room, and we'll take it from there. Welcome to the Castle Arch Hotel, and we'll just go in and see reception. There's reception, very friendly, very nice. And you have a lift up to the first floor. There's only one floor, so yeah, that's only any great use when you've got your bags with you. But the stairs are there as well. Walk down here. We'll show you the breakfast area later. This is a bar area. It's not too badly priced either. And there's our Santa. Hello, Santa. Well, welcome to room 113, which is a family room. Single bed each side, and quite large. I think that's a king size bed in the middle. Little table and chairs there. You have a little wardrobe and a rack for your suitcase. You have a coffee machine there, other storage, and TV. Regular 3-star fare, and it's always lovely and clean, spotlessly clean and well presented. Right, that's us leaving in the evening here for just to go down to town, and it is freezing. I'm sure you can see the steam, the vapour coming off my mouth. But that's us, we're coming out to the arch from the Castle Arch. So onward, we'll down into the town, and well, we'll see what we see. Monument to the Duke of Wellington. Has big links to this town. I know that's controversial, but I think he quite liked it. The old stand is lit up for Christmas, got all the lights there. I'm sure most of the pubs have got that up already, but I always think 1st of December is enough, but it's 26th of November, it's not far away. Another of our favourite haunts there is Kiely's bar. Don't see any decorations in there yet, but that's very friendly. The guy that owns it, you can actually see him in that mural standing behind the bar, and it's quite entertaining, good fun. Right, well, I was wrong, there is the decorations there. The girl who did the painting on the side of the building also does the window painting, and they're absolutely fabulous. So the snowman there, and then jolly old Santa Claus. So yeah, definitely a good job. Looking down towards the medieval castle there, it looks lovely. And that little half light. Hopefully the sensor in this wee camera picks it up. It's really, really nice, and it's well, featured in Braveheart, of course. Most of it was filmed in around by County Wicklow, but this is one that they had, and this was a castle in northern England, in Northumberland, I think it was, in Braveheart. But that's worth a tour around, it's not expensive. And that's the main street. It's a busy wee spot during the day. So yeah, it's definitely a happening wee spot. One of our old favourites here, the Judge and Jury. It's right beside the courthouse, so yeah, it looks like it's open alright. So we'll go in there and have ourselves a refresh. The inside of the Judge and Jury. And we've got the nice Christmas lights up atop there. Has a sports bar, lots and lots of sports shown, so you'll find during the day you have a horse race, there's a lot of soccer on at the moment. But that's a nice bar. The people are friendly, and that's all you could ever want for. Guy that owns it, Richie, apparently he's on the Irish darts team. He represents Ireland darts. So if you're a darts fan, it'd be worth checking in with. Well, this time we're in Kiely's. There's Trey sitting down to the traditional Irish drink, of course. And would you believe I'm having one myself? It's early evening, it's just after tea time, and a lot of guys have come in just after work, and we've been in before when it's been like this, and everyone has been so friendly. But there looks to be a bit of a pool match going on here. But it's a nice place. During COVID, you had a bell on your table, which was quite funny. You shook a bell, and they come down, they took your order and brought your drink to you. And the toilets, in the gents, there was 3 urinals, and the one in the middle was actually it was actually sealed off. It had a tape over it, and it said on it for social distancing, which was quite humorous. But really had. That's just when everyone wasn't allowed to travel. We came here and had a great time, and we'll always keep coming back. But we'll always end up meeting someone to talk to and chat to. So definitely worth drumming in the Kielys and trim. The breakfast is taken in this conservatory, and it's very nice with the sun coming in, streaming in this morning. Up here you have juices, a couple of cereals, and for toast and bread. But the cooked breakfast is the one I have to give them brownie points for this. Look at that tea, it's lovely and strong. 2 tea bags in that little pot. And I've had a bit of toast, and from the toaster needs a second go, but it's there for you. But I'm looking forward to that cup of tea. The window, you can see the steam coming off the chairs and the tables. It's really nice, especially in this morning, a nice bright morning. Really pleasant place to have breakfast. Now that's the hearty breakfast you get there. 2 bacons, 2 sausages, hash brown, black and white pudding, and an egg. And all fabulous quality stuff. So I'm looking forward to getting into this, so I shall keep quiet. Right, that's the breakfast. It was mighty fine, I have to say. Only thing that I could sort of say was the bacon tastes as though it had been on a servery for a little bit too long, but for the rest of it was absolutely lovely. The sausages were nice and spicy, and the black and white pudding was lovely, and just a good hearty breakfast, as you could see in the video. But we'll just go and get ourselves ready and check out and head for home. Maybe get a wee fly with it. Right, let's have a wee wander around the car park here. A little garden for the That's not following me. This is the River Boyne, right beside Sally Rogers Bar. The bridge in the main street of Trim. And then you go that way. Castle's up to the right. Right. We'll just take a walk down. This is what we call French's Lane. And just walking down here. As you can see, that's the Boyne River running through. Walking on down through here takes you to the castle. This car park's awful busy. Unfortunately it's into the sun, but I'll show you the castle. That's the castle behind me, Trim Castle, medieval castle, and featured in the movie Braveheart as a castle in northern England. So come on, we'll go on down this way. There's another ruins there, really nice, and then there's a chapel, looks like a chapel there, so lots to do and see. Right, that's us coming back up, so we're going direction track this time, just looking down on me, so just swing it back this way. Don't want people who don't understand the drones to walk into it. So that's Trim Castle. Maybe take you down the main street next. So we can do the street in Trim. One of our favourite homes, the Judge and Jury. And that's the courthouse. And on trying towards the river. So we'll bring her back here. Right, well, that's us back from our trip, and I had a nice night in Kiely's and the Judge and Jury. Two really friendly pubs. Judge and Jury's full of characters, but then I suppose the Kiely's is too. So I had a great time in there. I slept really well in the bed. The hotel is the same quality as it's always been. It's a 3-star, but it's a good 3-star. The beds are comfy, and the the staff are lovely. Just can't fault it. Only just the slightest thing. The bacon at breakfast seemed to be like it had been sitting on a hot griddle or a hot servery before it was served, and just been there a little bit too long. But a minor complaint. The rest of the breakfast was absolutely lovely, and ample portions as well. Can't fault the place. It's one of my favourites for breakfast in Ireland. So it's certainly worth a visit. And if you do go visit, I hope you wouldn't be disappointed. I would think you would not be disappointed. But for now, thanks for watching this one. It's much appreciated having you along. If you've liked it, please hit a like down below. If you've really liked it and you want to see more of this nonsense, please hit the subscribe and maybe even the bell button, the bell icon that will give you notifications when I put stuff up. But most of all, thank you for watching this one. Gary JSF, bye for now.